everyone, welcome to STARBASE Maxwell, and today we're going to be making our own lava lamps. What we're going to need is food coloring that's water-based, cooking oil, and regular water. We're also going to need some Alka-Seltzer. So, let's get started.
Terms to know. Matter. Anything that has mass and takes up space. Law of conservation of matter tells us that the amount of matter stays the same even when a substance changes form. Dissolve. To mix in with another substance. For example, when salt is added to water, it forms salt water.
In the bottle, we're going to have 80% cooking oil and 20% water. Alright, and now we're going to add the food coloring. You should do this slowly, and you don't need to add too much. I'm going to add 3 drops. Alright, and 3. And last but not least, we are going to add our Alka-Seltzer. So with this, you're going to crush up 1 tablet and add it to the water slowly. Okie dokie. And now we're going to add it. And there's our lava lamp.
How it works. First, the colored water sits at the bottom of the bottle because it is more dense than oil. When the Alka-Seltzer is dropped in, it mixes with the water and a chemical reaction happens, producing carbon dioxide gas. The gas rises up and drags the colored water with it. Finally, the droplets fall back down. This happens over and over, making it look like a lava lamp. It is important to remember that the tablets don't disappear. They simply change form. They make gas, which escapes into the air. What did you learn? Today you learned matter never vanishes. When a substance dissolves, it simply changes form. When a new substance is made, it is created from existing matter.